A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome to my class, students. We are learning grammar and we are on chapter number 11. As you each and everyone knows that we are on chapter number 11. Yes, and we are learning comparisons of adjective. We have completed the explanation along with the definitions. I have sent you the definitions, and I hope each and everyone has written in your copy. Please try to maintain your copy. Keep it neat and clean, your fair copy. Students, look at the board. What we are going to today, let's complete the exercises. Let's complete the exercises. I think this is the last exercises of chapter number 11. Today we will discuss on the exercise of chapter number 11. Now look here, the last exercise, what it is written, it's written exercise number 3. सी द इंस्ट्रक्शन निर्देश क्या दिया गया है. इंस्ट्रक्शन का मतलब होता है क्या पालन क्या करना है हमें, क्या निर्देश क्या दिया गया है कि हमें एक्सरसाइज में करना है. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर. नाउ लुक हियर एट द इंस्ट्रक्शन. रीराइट द सेंटेंसेस. Rewrite means we have to repeat the sentences. Question will be written there. We have to write the same question again after correcting the errors in the degree of comparison. In degree of comparison, उसमें जो भी error होगा किसमें adjective. Now we have to correct the errors of degree of comparison. Now first today we will discuss. I am going to ask from you. You have to tell me the answer. Okay. Now look here. Look at the question number 1. Today is the longer day of the year. Now there is some error in degree of comparison in this sentence. There is some error, कुछ गलतियां हैं इस sentences में. Now who will help me? Raise your hand. Who is going to help me? Come on, raise your hand. Arya Tripathi, yes, you tell me. You help me out with the questions, please. Unmute it and tell me the answer. Arya Tripathi, can you hear me? Unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is
Today
some error.
is the longest day of the year.
Very good. Here हम days जो बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, today is the longest.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, yes, sir. It will come.
Now you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Now
Yes,
look
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Today,
Yes.
आज का दिन. Yes. Today's day is compare. आज का दिन जो है हम किसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? 365 days. Yes, we are comparing today's day with 365 days. So यहाँ पे we are going to use the comparative degree, not the superlative degree. What we are going to use? Superlative degree. Yes. So tell me the answer. Today is the
Today
longest. Today is the longest day of the year. Very good. Thank you very much. Mute it now, Arya. Now let me write down
Of
the
the year.
next question. Question number 2. Mute it. Now look at question number 2, students. What it is written? Swami is more brave than Rajan. Swami is more brave than Rajan. Students, can you see the question here? The question is written that Swami is more brave than Rajan. Now we have to rewrite Rajan. We have to rewrite this sentence by correcting this degree. इस डिग्री को हमें चेंज करना होगा, इसको करेक्ट करना होगा. It is wrong here. Now who will help me? Ayush. Okay, yes. Ayush, help me. Yes. Tell me the answers, Ayush.
me. Swami.
हाँ, Swami.
Swami is
Yes. Is.
more.
हाँ.
More.
More. No, wrong.
If, more.
Wrong. No, wrong. 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 Who will help me? Sajid. Yes. Sajid, you help me out. Help me out. Swami is. We are comparing between two persons. दो लोगों के बीच comparison हो रहा है. Swami and Rajan. So what will be the comparative degree of brave?
तो क्या?
Sorry. Now who is going to who will answer? Anushka Yadav. You help me out. Anushka Yadav. यहाँ हम दो लोगों के बीच कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. Can you hear me? Unmuted. Okay. I think she's not able to unmute. Arya Tripathi again. Swami is more brave than Rajan. Come on. Come on, Arya Tripathi. Can you hear me? Hello. Sorry, mute everyone. Mute it. I'm not able to hear anyone.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, class. I'm not able to hear you.
Kumar.
I'm not able to hear you. Please now look here. Look at who will help me out.
Sir. Sir.
Sir, braver. Sir, Swami is braver than Rajan. Sir, braver.
Sir.
Braver.
Yes, one student have answered me that
Yes,
Swami is braver than Rajan. Swami is braver than Rajan. Right. Thank you very much. Yes, mute it now. Mute it. Mute everyone, please. The next question, let me erase the board. Now look at the next question. Question number 1 and 2 we have completed. Now let us see the next question. Now who is going to help me with question number 3? Question number 3, it is written that the freshly baked cake was hot and fluffier. Now who will help me out with this question? Question number 3. Who will tell me the answer? Anyone? Ayush, please, you help me out. Ayush Kumar, unmuted. Ayush Kumar, can you hear me? Ayush Kumar, unmuted. Okay, Anushka Yadav, unmuted. Yes, Anushka, tell me the answer. The freshly baked cake was hot and fluffier. Now rearrange it. इसमें आपका mistake hot है. This is the degree. Now change it. The
Sir, hot.
पूरा question. Tell me the rewrite the sentence. The freshly baked Baked cake.
The
Cake was hotter. Spelling of hotter. Spelling of hotter.
Cake.
Tell me the spelling of hotter.
HOTTER.
Yes, hotter and fluffier.
Double T.
Okay, right. Mute
Yes,
it
sir.
now. Mute it now. Mute kar lo. Next. Question number 4. This story is simple than the other one. Now, who is going to help me out this? This story is simple than the other one. Yes, Arya Tripathi, help me out.
The story is
Yeah.
simpler than
Yes,
the
very
other
good.
one.
Very good. This story is simpler than the other one. Okay, one more
It's
question I
full
want to ask
stop.
you. Okay, full stop. Okay, Arya, why you have used here simpler? आपने यहाँ पे simpler क्यों use किया?
Because the
Yes.
story is that story compare from two.
Yes, this story is compared with two stories. Yes, this
Yes.
story is compared with two stories. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Mute it now. Now, question number 5. My computer game is most fun than Rajesh. Okay, fine. Now, who is going to help me out here? That my computer game is most fun than Rajesh. Any students? Yes, Suryansu, you help me out. Suryansu, tell me. Students, come on, help me.
Yes,
My computer and Rajesh computer. Means there is comparisons of yes.
my computer is more.
Very good. My computer game is more, not most. More. Students, बच्चों यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, हमने most यूज हुआ है आंसर में, बट कंपेयर कितने? हाँ, दो लोगों के बीच कंपैरिजन हो रही है, राजेश एंड द अदर्स वन कंप्यूटर, राइट? So my computer game is more fun than Rajesh.
Other.
Okay. Now look at the next question. Oh yeah, question number 6. The last question. Mute it now. Suryansu, mute yourself. The white wizard was wise than the gray one. Students, this is the last question of this exercise and this chapter. Now, who is going to help me out with this? Any students, come on. Vaishnavi Singh, you help me. Vaishnavi Singh, you help me out with the last question. The white wizard was wise than the gray one. Yes, come on, help me out.
The white wizard was
Tell me the answer.
Visesht.
The white wizard, yes, white wizard was
wiser.
Wiser, very good. Wiser than the gray one. Okay, Vaishnavi, one more question. Why you have used here wiser? आपने यहाँ पे wiser क्यों use किया? Vaishnavi Singh, unmute. Vaishnavi, yes, why you have used here wiser? Who will tell me? साजिद आलम अंसारी, you tell me why we are using here wiser? हम यहाँ पे wiser क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? साजिद आलम अंसारी, come on, help me out, tell me. Yes, why we are using here wiser? हमने यहाँ पे wiser क्यों यूज किया है? Why not wisest? Why not wisest? हमने wisest क्यों नहीं यूज किया? क्यों हमने यहाँ पे wiser यूज किया? Tell me.
सर साजिद नहीं है अभी।
लीव मीटिंग, मीटिंग लीव कर दो फिर, अगर साजिद नहीं है तो लीव मीटिंग, ओके? Who will tell? Yes, Arya, you have told one, no? आपने एक बताया है. Now who will tell? Who is next? Arnav, you tell me. Arnav, you don't have light there. I can't see your face. पहले तो ये बताओ. Arnav, listen. You don't
Yes,
have
sir.
light. I can't see your face. आपका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है. You don't have light there.
सर यहाँ लाइट है, इससे नहीं दिख पा रहा है।
इनके कपड़ों में टैग होते हैं वो भी लगता
Light नहीं है आपके यहाँ. I can't see your
सर
face.
लाइट है तो
properly.
नहीं दिख पा रहा है।
कपड़ों के टैग काट के कपड़ों पे पहनते हैं।
Now tell me why we have used here wiser. हमने यहाँ पे wiser क्यों यूज किया? Why not wisest?
इधर सर क्योंकि ये रॉन्ग है।
Wrong है नहीं. This is not a right answer. Arav Singh. You tell me Arav Singh. Arav Singh. Arav Singh, can you hear me? Abhimanyu Singh. Students, look here. Let me tell you. मुझे बताने दो. Okay, या एक Arya, you will tell. You tell me, Arya. Tell everyone. Arya Tripathi, that why we are using. हम यहाँ पे wiser क्यों use कर रहे हैं? Why not wisest?
Because wizard is compared with two wizards.
Yes, white wizard compared हो रहा है grey wizard से, यानी दो लोगों के बीच comparison हो रहा है. White wizard and grey wizard, grey one. तो white one जो है वो ज्यादा wiser है grey one से. तो दो लोगों के बीच जब comparison होता है, मैंने डस्टर लेके एग्जांपल किया था कि एक लकड़ी का डस्टर है, एक प्लास्टिक का. Then this one is better than this one. Yes. Then we use comparative degree, right? Yes.
sir.
जब दो लोगों के बीच कंपैरिजन होता है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. तो व्हाट इज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ वाइज? वाइज, वाइजर, wisest. Wisest is the superlative degree. Now, do you have any doubt in this chapter? No. If you don't have any doubt, now let me ask some question. Thank you very much, students. This was your overall exercises, and the chapter is over. In our next class, we will start a new chapter from English Marigold, that is from NCERT book class 5th. अगली क्लास में हम NCERT book Marigold से chapter number 13 start करेंगे. Okay, and the name of the chapter is Topsy Turvy Land. Please remember, what is the name of the chapter? Topsy Turvy Land. Please read the chapter, find out the hard words, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now, students, it's your turn. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.